In my previous video, when I was talking about the Pascal's triangle, I talked about how you can use the Pascal's triangle to expand a binomial expression. We are going to use the same knowledge here to try expand this binomial expression up to the term y power 3, and of course in ascending powers of y. Now, if I may try to recall, if you are given to expand a binomial expression of the form a plus x power 1, from the Pascal's triangle the coefficients were 1 and 1. Expanding a plus x power 2, the coefficients were 1, 2, and 1. And then expanding a plus x power 3, now from there the trend continues. Here we added 1 plus 1, it gives you 2. Now here, of course, when you are expanding, the first and the last term coefficients are always 1, 1. So here is 1. Now the next coefficient will be, you take 1 plus 2, that gives you 3, and then 2 plus 1 gives you 3, then 1. You have a plus x power 4, that is 1, and here you get 4, and here you get 6, and here you get 4, and then 1. A plus x power 5, start with 1, and here get 5, and here get 10, and here get 10, and here get 5 and 1. And then finally a plus x power 6, this is 1, and there get 6, and there get 15, and there you get 20, and there you get 15, and you get 6, and then 1. Now we have the coefficients of a plus x power 6. Now from our question, let a equals 2 and x equals negative y. And then n equals 6, or n equals 6. Our n is the exponent on the power. Okay, let's now use the same to expand this one. And in Pascal's triangle, we said when you expand, when you are moving from left going to the right, the powers of a are reducing as the powers of x are increasing. All right, so it means our first term here will be, we have 2 power 6, and then we have negative y power 0, right? And then the coefficient is 1. You take that one, you add 2, again 2 here, the power reduces, becomes 5, and then negative y, the power increases, becomes 1. Coefficient is 5, not 5 but 6. The coefficient is 6. The next coefficient is 15. That one multiplied by 2, the power reduces further to 4. The power of y increases further to, becomes power 2. And then we go ahead and add. The next coefficient is 20. The power of 2 reduces further, it becomes 3. The power of y increases, becomes 3. And so on, because the question wants us to expand up to the term in y power 3, and here we have y power 3 already, so we stop there. Simplifying, we shall have, we have this one is 2 power 6, which is 64, and then negative y power 0 is 1, so here we only have 64. This one is added to 2 power 5 is 32. 32 multiplied by 6 you shall get 192, then multiply that one by negative y. Okay, add that one to, you have here 2 raised to the power 4, the same as 16, and 16, you multiply 16 by 15, you shall get 240. Then y is power 2, right? Y is raised to power 2. This one you add further to 2 raised to power 3 is 8 times 20 gives you 160. Then y is raised to power 3, I mean negative y is raised to power 3. Simplify that further, you get 64, and subtract, because we have negative y times 192, so that is minus 192y. Add that one to 240y squared, add that one to negative, so a negative y times 160 gives you negative 160 y power 3, and so on. This is how you go about solving such a question. Till next time, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.